sun's getting ready to come up. Got the semi warming up. Down here at a neighbor's farm on the halves with him. About 50 acres down here. Sky looks pretty nice. If that's a warning that it's going to be bad weather today or not. A little foggy it looks like. Shelled corn to about dark last night. Hope they'll start real early, let it dry off a little bit. Well, I thought the sunrise looked good. And then, while I was on the trail, we had some chicken manure delivered down here. This is what chicken manure looks like. It's piled up to spread on all the ground I took the soybeans off of. So that chicken manure will be spread over here on this ground, on that ground over there, and then I'll plow it in. That can happen anytime now too, when I get time to spread it. Hopefully I get most of the corn done before that starts happening. Corn over there, you can hardly see in the car. All that corn there we've got already. Looks like it'll be a good day to be out hiking. It's in the 50s here in Ohio right now. About 7:30 in the morning. Well, I'm shelling corn. I finished up the beans, I don't know, 3 nights ago. I probably only got 220 acres of corn to go. I finished one field today, starting my second field. It's a little muddy, there's just a little bit of mud on my tires. Corn goes. And my semi's way over there. My son's hogs, son and his wife, and his 2 daughters live right up there behind those pine trees. So I don't know what else to show you in here. I'm going to make a turn. I can do that when I'm on the phone recording or not. My camp looks like it's kind of messy. Some cards, cans and stuff whenever I've been drinking. One of the son's pasture field with some pigs out there in the barns where I grew up. Okay, making my turn. We'll make another round. That looks like. And one of my brothers lives right up there behind those pine trees. His pond. Window's starting to fill up in the back, and that window's full. Combine's only half full. Okay, I'll have to film some loading my grain bin or something later on. Just putting some fuel in the combine here in the morning. It rained last night. Kind of waiting for the stalks to dry off, but putting about 90 gallons in there, that'd be enough to get me by today, and I hopefully make it back over towards my house tonight. And we got rain coming again tonight. Didn't have much rain last night, but it's going to be an all-day thing, I think, tomorrow. So trying to finish this 25 and a half acre field here, and then a couple little fields here, a 4 acre and a 3 acre field back that way, and then maybe a 14 acre field across the road, and I can head back home. This is what it looks like here at my son's place. This is kind of where I grew up at, right here. And then my oldest brother lives back the lane here. And I live about maybe 2 miles that way. Alrighty, wind's picking up a little bit. That'll help this corn dry out. So I'm just waiting on this fuel to shut off. I can take off again. Working on combine while it's raining. Raining really hard. Be a little while if I get back to the field. I got plenty of work to do. Rain stopped for a little bit. You can see the rainbow going into my semi-trailer. I hope that's a good sign. Semi's leaking oil pretty bad right now. Camshaft gear cover, I think, is either cracked or leaking around that. I can't get it into a place to work on it until Tuesday. Today's Friday. And then if they can get parts, because of COVID, I guess everything's been kind of weird, if they can get parts or not for stuff. But I'm going to keep using it if it dries out between now and then, just let oil leak over everything. Yeah, when I take the combine in, it'll be a 2 or 3 job for a shop to do. This is the cab filter of the combine. This is the filter that filters the air that I breathe. So I should probably be cleaning it a little more often. How dirty things get. I'll shut this off and clean them up. Well, did a little maintenance to the combine. Greased it, oiled some chains. There's always still more to do, but I'm gonna go in and get a little rest for myself. We had 5/8 of an inch of rain in about an hour. So I think I'm done for tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video this evening, hopefully. Just to update a little bit of myself since I've been off the trail. My knees are doing fine. As long as I'm not walking 10 to 12 miles, I don't have a problem with my knees. My heels just started feeling a little better about a week ago or so. They was tender when I first put them down, but they're back to normal, I would say now. I've still been feeling pretty tired in the evenings. I got tested for Lyme disease. The first results, I guess, at my local doctor's office was, I think they called it unequivocal, and they sent them away for further lab tests. And then it finally came back that I was okay. I did not have Lyme disease. So I think it's just your mind still thinks it's a 22-year-old paratrooper, but your body says you're old. So I just always been feeling kind of tired in the evenings. Maybe I'll get rested up this winter. But other than that, I've been feeling okay. Been staying pretty busy farming. We didn't get a whole lot of motorcycle riding in this year because came back right in time to start farming. Just a little bit about what the farm looks in the back here. But I'm heading in for supper. Oh, and I forgot to add another thing. As far as the crops go, I'm all done with the soybeans, and I have 180 acres of corn left. So that's where I'm at. And then I'll have to plow 260 acres. That was soybean stubble. I'll plow that, which I hope to get chicken manure on all of it. Right now I only got enough chicken manure for about 100 acres. And that'll be corn next year. Okay, more videos in a week or two. You guys are probably getting tired of seeing me anyway.